I'm Karandeep Singh from International Batch here at UBS, and I'm here to tell you about my journey at UBS. Now, when I came all the way from home to UBS, I was with a lot of insecurities. I did not know how to speak openly, and I had a stage fright. And UBS has inculcated me and helped me overcome these fears. It has provided me with mentorship where I had done where my weaknesses lie, where all I can improve on myself, and I did a lot of presentations where I helped myself grow little by little. Every day when I wake up, I see out of my window and it's all greenery over here, and I've seen that it refreshes my mind to openly go to Chimap Garden, which is a beautiful garden here, and I read my book over there. And the chirping of the birds and everything refreshes my mind, and it helps me think more clearly. Now, when I come to the opportunities that UBS has provided me, it has exposed me to industrial knowledge, and by going through CMAPs and lot of internships, assignments, case blazers, and investing my funds through virtual portfolios. And I have seen that every day when I go to sleep, I know a little bit more than I did a day previous. I have seen that the clubs provide various opportunities, and the classroom leaders are selected, and various other students are giving strategic positions so that they learn the leadership skills. So one might be a leader in finance society, and one might be a leader in marketing society, while other can be a class representatives, and there are subdivisions of subject representatives. Now each representatives have to coordinate with the faculties. Each club representative have to coordinate with other clubs, so they understand the importance of networking, and they understand the importance of relationships that are to be established, which helps in them in their corporate lives. And I think that's very valuable thing that UBS has personally taught me. I will be going to Northeastern Illinois University, and I'm very excited because UBS has taught me the right skills and knowledge that I will be using in Northeastern Illinois University, and I'm very excited to use those knowledge and make UBS proud over there, as it has made me a better version of myself. The thing I would miss the most at UBS is that whenever we dine at dining table, all of us students are gathered in a big hall, and we eat and we discuss so many interesting things that are happening globally and around the world. And I think that my knowledge base has increased because the people here has helped me to understand what the world is really about, and what is going on in their lives, what is going on around them, and how is each and everything is affecting each and every one of us. And I think that this is very special. This is where we create bonds, and this is what I will be taking with me through lifetime. My main aim is to become an investment banker in life, and I've seen that UBS has personally, I have met many faculties who have personally tutored me in their cabins, and they have they have taught me so much, each and everything, they have suggested, mentored me which sites to visit, what materials they had, and from their own personal experience they have seen in the industry that can help me get a better understanding of what the market requires. This has helped me to know what the industry requires and what I need to do in order to prepare myself for that thing. In the end, I can say that the teachers here are actually the mentors through life, and they have personally assisted me all through my troubles, and they have helped me understand the foundations, the concepts, each and everything, and I will be forever grateful for them.